before, you couldn't get into ODOT without a CDL, so there was really no point to even look into this. But once I found out, hey, they'll pay for me to get this, why not?
The maintenance worker program, it's very good for young people my age. I came here right out of high school, and so you train you for Class B, which they gave you a lot of training about the trucks as well as driving on the road, what to look out for, and kind of it's a preparement for long-term employment for someone like me. It's a huge milestone and something that made your resume look very good.
So the highway maintenance program was basically you got signed up here, but you weren't able to drive any of the trucks. But ODOT pays for you to get your CDL. They give you all the training, and they really did help me understand that, hey, this might not have been a career choice that I would have initially thought coming out of high school I would have had, but it's definitely very enjoyable. And the amount of different things you can do, not just through the highway maintenance worker program, but ODOT is unlimited. There's so many options, and really the sky's the limit once you get in here, and they help you get in by getting your foot in the door with that CDL.
I thought it was great, honestly. The guy that runs it, Steve Wendell, he's really good. They explain everything really well. They make sure that you know all of the safety and everything that's important to know.
They train you here on the site, so you're getting paid while you learn, and you're able to, get all the stipulations you need for the clearinghouse. So they cover you pretty much 100%.
Training here is awesome, very good people that help you, very helpful, very outgoing people involved, so that's positive.
I think my favorite part was just seeing how everybody did things differently, how we learned differently. My favorite part was probably learning. I'm a fast learner and it was easy to learn, so and just like the experience. So I got to learn a lot of different things and I had fun doing it.
The people were really cool. There were so many different jobs that you would be put on every day. You weren't locked into everything. So the opportunity to get to learn many different things was really cool.
Just gives you a feel for everything you're going to do if you stay at ODOT. Get to experience different crews and learn different pieces of equipment and learn how to plow and everything like that. So you get a feel for a little bit of everything. It could be on any crew, any different day. It's not like a set crew, so you get to learn a lot. You're not doing the same thing every day.
Yeah, we go out and perform tasks such as filling potholes, fixing guardrail, plowing snow is one of the bigger main ones. But we pretty much just go out and ensure that the motoring traffic and motoring public has safe routes.
Great for coming out of high school because I wasn't exactly sure where I wanted to go, what I wanted to do, and you come in here with really no experience, and as you put in time, you become more experienced, run more equipment, and I started out just as a maintenance worker, and then I've been here almost 3 years, and I got my Class A this summer, so another thing to add to the resume.
My dad used to work for District 4, so I've always kind of, grew up on like farms, running equipment and stuff. And before ODOT, I never really had like a job I could learn all these different things. So with ODOT, like the Highway Maintenance Worker Program, you can definitely learn a lot. Like before ODOT, I would have never learned how to run a loader or get my CDL.
Being able to get my CDL here interested me. Having a lot of progression within the company interested me, and being a stable job.
I was just looking for a job that had more advancement opportunities, and I looked at ODOT and I talked to some people, and everyone agreed and said that ODOT has a lot of advancement possibilities and it's a great place to work.
I'm interested in ODOT because I kind of wanted to get my foot into the door of construction and just further my experience in construction and just see where it could take me.
The advancement opportunity was a major thing for me due to the fact coming out of COVID with all the jobs being laid off and cut back. This was a secure position for my family. Gave me plenty of advancements as far as the CDL program, and also I was able to also develop and get a crane license certification for the state as well as advancement courses I'm taking.
I would definitely recommend it. It's a great company, great people to work with, and you do a lot of different fun stuff.
I would definitely say go for it, especially like me. I'm a young lady just out of high school. I don't have much experience in stuff like this, so it's a very good experience.
It's a great opportunity to get your CDL, further your experiences in construction and this type of work, and you only can go up from when you start. So a lot of opportunities here.
I would say do it. The benefits, the people, it's a great work environment.
ODOT is a great place to work for. The benefits are good, the people are great, the opportunity is very, very high. You can always grow, develop yourself. They let you create your own limitations of what you want to know and what you want to learn. So plenty of advancement as far as certification opportunities to grow.